be out here with Shawinihan Outfitters.
Feed the Adrenaline boys are on top of things.
Get it, Maggie! Good girl, Maggie. What's going on, buddy?
Too much, boys.
How's she going? What's going on, Dan?
Not much,
Dan. Long time no see, buddy.
Good, you?
Good, man.
Hey, Maggie.
We're gonna be pounding ducks by, I got you 20 ducks by 6:30. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. And then we got 6 guys, 42 ducks is gonna be nothing. We'll do it. We're gonna do it, boys.
Whoa!
Fire. Yes!
Alright, it's first thing in the morning. It's like 5:30. And we got the boys here from Feed the Adrenaline. And we're up here for a hunt. Going after some mallards on a little pond in the woods. So let's get to the trucks, load up, and get out to the pond. And hopefully get some ducks.
Let's do this, boys. Let's get at it.
Ready to retrieve some ducks, girl? Hey, you ready to retrieve some ducks? Come on.
Gloriness, greatness, quackness.
Just pull up to the spot. We're all getting suited up. We're gonna take in all the gear, set up some decoys, and we're gonna be on the birds.
Set up a couple mallards, a couple woodies, and we'll see how the morning goes. We've been seeing a lot of ducks in here. A lot of early season birds, so they'll be pretty stupid. Drakes only, boys, Drakes only. Good to go, boys. Well, we got lots of birds coming in, but unfortunately they need to cooperate a little better. But we're still having fun, that's the goal, fun. was an early morning, that's for sure. Ducks worked wicked for us, as you can see. We all want limits, but I had a number in my head and that was 20. We hit our 20 and we're happy. Everyone's happy. We got good eats coming up. It was a good hunt. Everyone had some good shooting. The dog worked great. The night hunt tonight, we're gonna pound. It's gonna be in-your-face action. You wait for that. I cannot wait.
So we just had our duck poppers. Amazing. Kyle, fantastic cook. Caleb, fantastic prepper. Big shout out to them. Now we've all settled up. We're gonna head out to the evening hunt. They've set up this nice little pond. They say it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be game on as soon as we get there. So catch us in the blind.
Well, we're at the night spot. Didn't spook anything out, which is a good sign, but the water's pretty chocolate milk, which is another good sign, so she's a waiting game now. Little slow start there, but I tell you, she's picking up. Our shooting is picking up, and I tell you, she's a Drake City, and a couple hens have joined us, but that's all right. They taste the same, baby. Let's do this. A little brown and semi-automatic action. Maybe I'll give them over the head. A couple of those. Let's do this, boys. We're doing it. Doesn't matter how we shoot today. We're getting them. We're gonna get them. Woo! And if you guys want to do this stuff right here, you get a hold of Feed the Adrenaline. FTA boys want you. You come to us, we'll bring you on the ducks, guys. Don't you worry about that. Great time, great prices, You can either phone or message on Facebook. Get a hold of us, guys. That's Feed the Adrenaline. Well, I tell you right now, there ain't nothing better than when a plan comes together. And by the looks of this pile, I tell you, the plan came together. I cannot thank everyone enough for the wicked time they gave us this weekend, the wicked shooting they did. I can't wait to have them back. You guys need to see this episode of TCG. Feed the Adrenaline boys are on top of things.
I must say, I went on a diver hunt last year with these guys, and this just blew it out of the water. There's nothing like shooting drakes and mallards over small ponds in wooded areas. It was just absolutely amazing. I don't know what you thought, Josh, but I had a freaking blast.
What a blast it was, for sure. Just want to say thank you to Feed the Adrenaline, Kyle and Dan, and their two good buddies that came out and helped us scoop some today. So if you wouldn't mind, go down to their profile on Instagram, go on their Facebook page, give them a thumbs up for us. This was a wicked hunt. We really appreciate it.
And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you got any questions or concerns, leave a comment below because we love hearing from you guys. And if you ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe because we're dropping videos every Sunday. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Woo! Woo!